Hi there! Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a bag from Sezane's Spring 2023 collection. So as you'll see on screen, it's the Justine Basket Tote. I absolutely fell in love with it as soon as I saw the preview in the lookbook. It comes in a few different colorways. At first I was looking at the brown and beige raffia version. I also was very smitten with the mini version, but that's not super practical for my life. There's also a monochrome pink one, and then the one that I got is the khaki, or this olive green one. I was super pleased with how it came packaged. As always, Sezane always packages things really beautifully. It's pretty much plastic free. These bags come with a dust bag. I have another basket bag that also came with a dust bag, so it seems like that's a pretty uniform, like standard thing that they do. The top handle, which is leather, came wrapped beautifully, which I was really pleased with because, you don't want your bag to come with any damage, even if it is just like a basket tote. For the price of it, you want it to be really, durable. And then I was surprised to find that there is actually a bag within the bag, like a canvas bag that's sewn in. It doesn't come out, as you'll see in this little, as I'm discovering it. And that's great so that all of your possessions can kind of be a little bit more secure, a little more hidden, not just kind of bopping around this little basket bag. And that's also really great because this is a very wide opening. The shape of this fan shape or shell shape bag could make it feel really, not secure. So yeah, I'm going to show some mod shots, but first just a little more detail. The raffia is very beautiful quality, very smooth. The coloring is a little bit uneven, which I kind of expect with a natural material like that. It didn't bother me at all. The leather is beautiful, the typical Sezane leather. This is a very rich brown, which I love. It's a little bit different from some of the cognacs that you see in the spring and summer a lot. And then, yeah, as far as the straps, I think this is what excited me the most about this bag because it's more versatile than the other basket bag. I have the Paloma, which is just a shoulder bag. This one has a top handle as well as the shoulder strap, which I think is really cool. And you can tuck both of them away, which I'll show a little bit later. So since I did mention the Paloma basket bag, in case you have it or you've seen it in person, you can see a quick side-by-side of the two. The Justine is definitely a bit smaller, but I think they have very different use cases. I usually take my Paloma to the beach, so maybe I'll do a full review of that sometime in the future. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.